back again. So I'm gonna not really unbox but show you and some of the review. I got this box. Oh my god, it's massive box from the Laundress company. There, the Laundress. I hope you didn't see my address there, but yeah, I got it from the Laundress website. I like to try it because I heard so much good reviews regarding all their detergent and also their cashmere and wool detergent. So what I got here is, I got it on sale during their sale season last month. So this one was here's the, I didn't show the price. I forgot how much this is, but it was on sale. I think I got it for at least 30% off for this is the startup pack that they had. So this one is their signature detergent classic for everyday laundering, concentrated after 64 wash 64 washes. So this one is the first one, the Laundress. And then this one is for more active wear, swimwear, and sport detergent. I think this is more for men. You know, I think that I'll use it more for my husband's clothes. This one I really like to try, wool and cashmere shampoo. Is cedar. It smells good. So this is for your wool and your cashmere stuff. I know you usually dry clean cashmere clothes, but you can try this one. I think they have it in their website on how to use it and how to wash your cashmeres, because I have some cashmere that I need to do. This one I already tried. I actually used it already, so you see it's not full anymore. There you go. But this one is the number 723 laundry detergent. I like it because of it's a limited edition. It's the rose scented detergent. It really smells good. I really like this one. I used it already with my clothes last week, so I used that one. This one I haven't used this. This one is for the delicate wash for ladies, our underwears, our bra, all for the silk and synthetic blends, up to 32 washes. And there's also instructions already on how to use it. But yeah, I'm excited to use this as well for my bra. It comes with the, oops, nagulat ako. I thought what happened to my door. So it comes, this is the best sellers kit. So that's the one. I got this one way back first week of July. I think it was July 4 sales. So this is the bestseller kit. It says here bestseller kit with the signature detergent, their classic one, the wool and cashmere shampoo, the delicate wash, and the sport detergent. And they put in the limited edition one, including on the set. And I also bought I like this one. May sarili siya. This is the laundry bin. It's really nice, no? It looks so classic. That's why I like it. It's black on white, and I like it. So I bought this one because I saw in their website on sorry, let me just put this away. So I'm actually sitting down. So I bought this one because, not just because of the branding here, there is like this part, so you can actually scrub your underwear on this side, and actually this one on the very bottom I know you can twist to open it and the water goes out this way. Oh, there you go. Ano ba yan? Sorry naman. Kanina pa ako nakakaano nung gamit. I always throw something away in my what I'm unboxing. Anyway, so this part you just remove it and the water goes out this way. You can still use it as the regular thing, like, you know, you throw the water away like that. But I like it because the aesthetic of the Laundress, it's really my style, more of the classic black and whites. And it's actually good when I tried the limited edition detergent. The rose scented one is really, really good. I didn't even use any fabric softener anymore when I used this one because it's so scented. It's really, really good. So I didn't use my Downy detergent. The Laundress also have their own fabric conditioner, so you can buy that too. I'm excited to use this one too, the classic version. Their signature scent, signature detergent, classic. But yeah, because you know, I destroyed a lot of delicate clothes, especially with spaghetti strap dresses. I actually destroyed 2 already. Oh gosh, from H&M. I haven't even really used it, so I destroyed it. I shouldn't have put it in the dryer. So yeah, but you can wash anything with this bin. But yeah, I'm gonna display it as well in my laundry room once I have the time to actually fix it or organize it. I'm gonna put it on top of one of my table there, countertop, and it's so nice. No, look, oh, the Laundress, because I'm the Laundress. Sunny recently washes his clothes too, so he does that when I'm actually busy. And it says New York, New York, darling, New York. So I like this one. So yeah, so try it. They do have some sale. I'm gonna check if they have sale recently, but I bought this at least a month now. I know I haven't really used a lot of it. I just used this one. And I usually just finish some of my laundry detergent. We use the Tide Pure. I like it because it doesn't have a lot of dye on it. It's actually good with our clothes. So yeah, I'm gonna use this one more. I haven't really used it often yet. That's the plan. Yeah, just want to share with you. Let me know, guys, if you have tried the Laundress, and tell me how it went with you. I want to learn more about it. It's really nice. I want to buy their cover for the iron board. I have an iron board. I haven't really used it as much, but yeah, there's I just black and white branding I really, really love. And of course this one for the house. So try it, guys. Let me know how it went with you, and let me know if you actually use it, this brand, a lot, and let me know how to use it more, and how you actually, do you actually still use fabric conditioner like Downy if you use this detergents already? Yeah, let's try. Thanks, guys. Oh, is that all, or did I miss something? I'll check. Bye, guys.